Want me to do a greeting? You're so cute. You want to get hitched? No answer. Dude,
I'm
you're doing something behind the camera.
You're getting some sign language.
So, man, we're in the Yoda. Yoda 2, baby. Even got a Shar Yoda back there. We transferred him because we loved him. And, oh, of course, got the sidekick back here. Kai's got his own seat.
He likes it.
He's loving it. And so this is our first initial, other than test run after doing all the things to it. I've got I didn't go pick it up, but I just got the notice that the door handle for this driver's door is in at the post office. And then as soon as do a few runs, man, make sure I got all the bugs out of it, and then I'm going to try to figure out these side doors, see if I can get those working, man. But I'll tell you what, man, it feels good to be back in a nice. Got the smell out of here too, man. It smells good. Those seats were pretty part of it.
Yeah, I think so.
So, anyway, man, we're headed down to get some supplies. Hoping to find a few, maybe a yard sale or whatever. But the snow and the storm, dude, it's coming, man, and it's going. If it's anything like they're predicting, it ain't going to be no fun, man. It's supposed to start tomorrow. They're talking about snow and rain and cold for all week, as far as we can see in the forecast, man. I'm not ready for that. But welcome to Idaho, man.
Yeah.
You'd think that after our whole lives, we'd be a little used to it, but still don't, man. I love my Idaho, but I'm not a big winter dude. All right. Look at that old semi right there, man. The old Kenworth. Back there. Yeah, man, I want to dig through this place so bad. The old blue dog right there, man. Got a snow blade on it too. I need it. Time to come in there, man. I'm like, oh, dude, I got to play some video. There's a few bugs in there. Oh, problem is, this place paying $4, 4 pieces of pizza, and a drink. And she just put fresh on it.
Combo? Just want something with mushroom. car wash.
Where over anywhere close to us?
Yeah.
Well, wait, there's another one that we usually go to, man. It's got a little automatic drive-through.
But
it wouldn't take my money.
no.
I didn't like it. You got quarters or need to get some?
I can dig. See what I got here.
I'm gonna let you wash, man. I'm gonna look back and watch.
I got some ones. Oh, this is the
No, that's the money I just, yeah.
I'm like, why is this money like falling
Like,
out
wow,
of my
there's money like
purse?
stuffed in my purse.
There's that.
It might change
Yeah, got some
five.
change.
I'll go see if it takes five.
What you do, Kai? You like having the band back? Yeah.
But a $15,000 to $20,000 trailer, and that's like like I said, the third. The other one's the picture with it up on its bucket.
Right. I was thinking that one was blue, but I don't know.
I thought it was a Kubota, actually. Orange. There's a lot of scams out there, man. What you think of that stuff?
I think it really sucks.
I wonder if there's all that friendly letter out there. It's been sitting there forever. Faithfully. I think I filmed while I went through here, didn't I? Maybe.
I don't think so, because there is that person that you were driving around that was going slow. You want to get in front of him?
The camper. The camper, man. Pretty exciting, man. Said it was just a test run, more to go down and get some supplies with all this craziness happening in the election. Horseshit! This is rigged as shit. I don't care what any of y'all say. This is
It's a mess. Is what it is.
unprecedented, and this is the biggest crock of shit presidency that any American has ever witnessed, ever, since George Washington. So there's my piece on that. So we went down to just stock up on a few more things because
Just in case.
I really don't know what's going to happen. I know some pretty radical people and have heard some pretty radical shit.
Yeah.
So hang on to your hindquarters. This could be one hell of a ride. That's all I got, man. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and help keep the lights on, the home fires burning, the propane tanks full. We're getting ready to hunker down for one heck of a storm over the next week. So I'll be showing that or whatever. We're hoping to get up and get a load of wood or another couple of load of woods, we're hoping. And got to get a lot of stuff picked up and nailed down before the storm hits. So, good Lord willing, y'all be careful and safe out there. Them creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya!